Welcome to today's oil change guide. We're doing a 2022 Kia Carnival. First thing, let's reset the oil life. It's as simple as scrolling to convenience, then service interval, and then hit and reset. You can also adjust the interval if you would like. For this job, you'll need the following: a 17mm socket or wrench, a 27mm socket, a funnel, a set of ramps or a jack with jack stands, an oil catch pan, a small screwdriver or pick for the O-rings, paper towel or rags, 6.1 liters or 6.4 quarts of 0W20, and finally a filter. I'm using the OEM 39000 filter from Kia. To start off, remove your oil fill gap, and then we're going to go under the vehicle on the passenger side. This uses a cartridge filter, so we have to first remove the housing cap using a 27mm socket, or you could probably use a wrench. Once that's off, some of the oil is going to drain out. You're also going to want to pull the filter, as even more oil will come out, and let that drain. Next, you'll remove the 17mm drain plug bolt from the oil pan. Let that drain out completely, and then replace the crush washer on the drain bolt and reinstall it. Make sure you tighten your drain bolt, as we don't need that coming out going down the road. When replacing the filter, there's a nipple with an O-ring on it. This clocks into the oil filter housing only one way, so try and turn it gently, making sure that it clicks in place. With the filter in the housing, we now need to replace the two old O-rings on the filter housing and replace them with new ones that came in your oil change kit. Using a small screwdriver or a pick, get the old O-rings off and then replace them. A light coat of oil will help the new O-rings slip on over the cover. Now go back underneath the vehicle with the oil filter cap and make sure to push it on the filter and carefully tighten the cap down. Be aware it's very easy to cross thread the plastic, so if it doesn't feel smooth, reverse it and try again until you are absolutely certain it's going on. Once you've got all that done, it's time to add oil back into your engine. We're going to add 6.4 quarts or 6.1 liters of 0W20. That's it. You've now changed the oil in your 2022 Kia Carnival. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.